Hi guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I'm filming this video from Lagos, Nigeria. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about the term known as kilograms. That's like kilograms of hair. When your hair vendor sends you a price list and the price list is in kilograms, how do you know what the cost of one bundle of hair is? And what vendors tend to put their price list in kilograms? If you want to know all of this, please keep on. And I'm also going to put little details on wig density towards the end of the video, so you guys could look through that photo as a guide to really understand wig density. Because I know most times some of us tend to buy wigs from AliExpress. They tell you your wig is 150% density, 180% density. I just want you to understand the fullness of the hair in which you will be getting. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button just right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. So darling, without further ado, let me start breaking this down. In most cases, one bundle of hair is typically 100 grams, or in some cases one bundle of hair is 50 grams. Let me bring two of these bundles and show you guys so you get to understand what I'm talking about. So guys, this bundle I have right here is a typical one bundle of hair which weighs 100 grams, and in some cases some vendors hair actually weigh up to 110 grams, 120 grams, but you need to put it on a scale to actually tell what the hair actually weighs. But let me just get a scale. But sadly, the scale which I have is a foot scale. I'm going to use the foot scale like that to just weigh this hair so you guys get to see what one bundle of hair weighs. Yeah, so with this scale, I'm going to show you exactly how to just ascertain that your hair is actually 100 grams. So this is one bundle of hair that typically weighs 100 grams. I'm just going to put it on this scale. You can see right now it's at 0. Let's put the hair in here. So you can see now that the hair has actually surpassed the 100 gram bundle, the 100 gram mark. Let me just put it on a level place. So it has passed the first one 50 grams, second one 50 grams, that is 200 grams. It's even trying to exceed the 100 gram mark. So definitely this bundle right here would weigh at least 110 to 120 grams, which makes it a very this is actually the standard bundle of hair. But there are certain vendors you will buy hair from and you notice that the hair doesn't even measure up to 100 grams, and that is usually very disheartening, because what you should get from a standard full one bundle of hair is 100 grams. You put it on a scale and you notice that it's going to measure 100 grams, or in some cases it would exceed 100 grams. Like this one right here is almost turning towards one, what do I call it? Let me put it on a level please. Yeah, let me just make sure this is well set. Yeah, you can see I'm very certain that this hair right here weighs 100 grams to 110 to 120 grams. Like with this particular bundle of hair, like I'm getting the full 100 grams with a little extra. And this hair is double drawn hair. It's not even super double drawn, because with super double drawn I might even get like a fuller. I would definitely get fuller. So your hair should weigh minimum 100 grams. So if it's a case whereby the vendor in question tends to put its hair in 50 gram bundles, so you definitely have two of this. This is a 50 gram bundle. If I have two of this, I invariably will have 100 grams. So let me put this on this scale. If I put this on this scale, it's just going to give me just one line, and that should be 50 grams. Yeah, you can see it gives me just one line, which makes this bundle right here 50 grams. So what is a standard one bundle? Once a standard one bundle is actually 100 grams. There are some vendors that you reach out to purchase hair that you can actually tell them, okay, I want to get just 250 bundles. That's 2 bundles with a half bundle. There are some vendors that don't sell half bundle. You need to probably get the full either 2 bundles or 3 bundles. For some vendors, you need to get either the full 2 bundles or 3 bundles. Some vendors might not allow you to order like 50 grams of hair, But take note, the standard requirement, like the standard measurement for one bundle of hair is actually 100 grams. But when the vendor packs their hair in 50-gram bundles, what you should be expecting for 100 grams is two pieces of this 50-gram bundle to get 100 grams. So that's basically the thing with one bundle of hair. And take note, when your vendor sends you the price list, and the price list is in price per kg, take note that one bundle of hair is 100 grams. So if they say 1 kg of hair, 1 kg means 1000 grams divided by 10 is going to give you one 100-gram bundle. So what you then need to do is just divide the price of the, let's say it's the 10-inch hair, and you say the price is at, let's say, $180. All you need to do is just divide that $180 by 10. Then you now know that one bundle of the 10-inch hair costs $18. So that's basically how to do it. If you're selling hair, and in most cases you have to deal with, let's say it's either you're buying from a Chinese vendor and the price is in yuan, or the price is in dollars or in euros or pounds, you need to do, if you are probably like in Nigeria, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, like any other African country, you need to be able to do just those simple maths of doing division, subtraction, multiplication, so you actually get the real cost price of your hair. You can also, so you then know what to include as your profits, and set your selling price. So it's very, very important that you know how to do those basic simple calculations. Typically, what makes a full head for a full wig, it depends on your client specification, because if you use more bundles, it's definitely going to cost more. But when you're using shorter hair extensions, like from the 10-inch, 8-inch, 12-inch, you can get away with using just 2 bundles of hair. Even 14-inch, you can get away with using just 2 bundles of hair. By the time you start to tend towards 16-inch, 18-inch, 20-inch, 22-inch, 24-inch, 26-inch, 28-inch, 30-inch, you definitely want to use 3 bundles of hair. But then in some cases, if you're using 30-inch hair, you should actually be using like 4 bundles of hair to get the fullest density, because the longer the hair is, the thinner it tends to be towards like the ends of the hair. Shorter hairs, you can get away with just 2 bundles. Like, cause this wig I have right now, I made it with just 2 bundles. I used 250 grams. That's 2 bundles of the 100-gram hair and 1 bundle of the 50-gram hair with a 4x4 closure. So it just depends on the kind of look you're going for. For some people, this hair might not be very full. They might just want to have the full 300 grams and a closure. For some, it might be too full. They might just want to have 2 bundles of hair and a closure, and that works for them. It just depends on each customer's need, each person's need and all. So let's now get into wig density. So what makes a wig 150% density? So in most cases, you find that wigs that are termed as 150% density is usually made with just 1 bundle of hair. That's 1 bundle of 100 grams hair and 50. Let me bring this. Yeah. So most times when you hear that a wig is 150% density, in most cases it just means that the wig was made with 100-gram bundle of hair and 150-gram bundle of hair. If your wig is made with just these 2 bundles of hair right here, definitely it's going to be cheaper. So you're not be coming to your hair vendor, somebody like me, and telling me that why is your hair 100,000, 200,000. Meanwhile, my vendor on Jumia or my vendor on AliExpress or whatever is selling their hair for, let's say, 50,000 naira. Why wouldn't the vendor sell the hair for 50,000 naira when the vendor is giving you just 2 bundles? In fact, 1.5 bundle of hair. So you need to understand wig density. And then when you start looking at, let's say, 180 density, in 180 density, it might be 2 bundles of hair that was used, or almost 2 bundles of hair. In 200% density, it might be it should be the full 2 bundles of hair that was used. It just varies. And then in most cases, most of the companies that tend to sell wigs might not use the full 3 bundles of hair and a closure, or 3 bundles of hair and a frontal, because they might see as being too full. So one thing you need to take note of is, if you choose to sell wigs, you need to ensure that you give the wig company your specification. Do you want your wigs to be 250% density? Do you want your wigs to be strictly made with 3 bundles of hair and a closure, a frontal? You really need to specify these things. But I'm gonna put a chart at the end of this video, so you guys use that chart as a guide, so you get to really understand the wig density, because I can't really fully explain it in this video except you actually look at the charts and see how they tend to make these wigs per each length of hair in question. So guys, if you got value value out of this video, please make sure you give the video a huge thumbs up, share with your friends who are also going to get value out of it, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. Cheers.